Hi guys, PJ here. Today I'm working on a 2020 Mercedes GLC and I thought I'd just share with you my thoughts on this bit of kit which has just completely slipped off the box there. This is a ConectaX. Now this is for hardwiring a dash cam, specifically the Black Vue dash cams, into the vehicle but without having to do anything with the fuse box. In other words, this plugs into the vehicle's diagnostic port. There we go, and has a simple on and off switch. So these are a very easy way of hardwiring it without using the kit that comes with it. So on these Black Vues, you get a proper hardwire cable there, which has got bare wires on the end of it, and basically you're meant to run it to the fuse box, to a switched live, and a permanent live and an earth. Okay, so this basically cuts out having to do that, and obviously you don't use your cigarette lighter connection that comes with the box as well. On the end of it, you've got a plug that will plug into your Black Vue. Now, these do vary in size, guys, so make sure you get the correct ConectaX connector. Wow, that was a mouthful. They varied the plug on the end, the different sizes to the Black Vue cameras, so make sure you get the right one that fits, because some of them don't plug in, they don't work, etc. Now, my dealing with these over the last few, well, months, years, if you like, has been reasonable, okay? I'm not going to say fantastic because they can be a little bit problematic, faulty. I mean, some of them you've got to wiggle the on and off switch a few times to get it to work, things like that. But generally when they work, they are a very easy, very quick solution. So these are worth looking up. I mean, wherever you buy your stuff from, you know, they should stock these if they stock the cameras. Just make sure you request the right one for the camera. And when you get to the other end, let me just quickly show you. Here's the camera end, yeah, and there's my cables that go all the way up to the roof lining of the car. So we've got that rear cable here for the rear camera, and this is the plug for the OBD. It literally plugs in, so it's plug in one end, plug in the other end. I'll show you where the OBD port is on this particular Mercedes, but obviously your car will differ. This is sort of a generic video. There's said port right there. There's your brake pedal, accelerator pedal. It's literally there, look, and this plug plugs directly into it, which I can't do one-handed, to be honest. There you go, it plugs in, and then what you're going to do is tuck your cable, zoom out a minute, there we go, up, these panels pop off, this pops off up here, so you can sort of pull all that away, run your cable up the edge, behind the curtain airbag that's there, and then pop it out above your window screen. It's really simple to do. Let's keep this video short, guys. It was literally just to tell you what I think of these. So the idea is fantastic, the install is very easy, reliability is a little bit questionable, and make sure you get the one with the right plug. Maybe this video is of some use to somebody. I hope it was. Catch you again next time. Bye for now.